Hey guys, welcome to this new video, and everybody would be very much interested in this video. I feel I've been getting a lot of messages to make a video on this topic, and everybody is right now focusing on Tata stocks. And as the playlist says, we're gonna analyze the Tata Group stocks here. Firstly, I would say that please don't FOMO into the stock. If you're not part of it, don't jump in between the trend, because once the profit booking comes, it's going to be fast and people would want to book their profits, their gains, and once that happens, you'll get a better price and a better entry point. So don't FOMO into the stock and wait for the right entry to enter this play. So firstly, let's analyze Tata Motors. So Tata Motors this month has gone up 52%, and 52% is a great rise. So there was a resistance around 360 levels, and it had not been crossing 360 since January. So it had not crossed 360 levels, 370 levels this year, and so this month it crossed that, and once that happened, that breakout happened, it has just been going berserk, and it has been moving non-stop. So let's look at the downtrend which started. So downtrend started in September 2016, and it went down till the COVID crash, and it was around 62 when the COVID crash happened and bottomed around 62. So this whole trend, it has gone up and saw a uptrend since March 2020 and is up by 78.6% of that downtrend. So that is a great retracement, and I think if you see 78.6 is considered a great retracement. So I think from here I see some hurdles in the stock, and if some big news don't come here, then the stock might go into sideways mode and people will book their profits, and I think you will get a better price. So you can start buying. If you get around 400, you should start buying for long term there and keep on buying till 360. I don't think 360 will break in any scenario in the near future. 360 is a good base now, so the stock is really good for upside, and I think eventually it will reach 600, but let's see when that happens. But right now I feel there is a profit booking which might come, and you will get better levels. Around 400 you can start buying till 360. Keep on buying, and don't buy in one go, buy in tranches. If you start buying around 430, then when it comes down, buy more around 400. So keep capital with you, don't buy it at once, and hold it for long term, because this stock is there for re-rating, and it is going to be on some other level in the near future in 3-4 years, I feel, once EV theme starts playing out on a large scale. The next, so let's go and first look at, let's make some notes as well. So you start buying around 400, you should start buying. So around 400 we should start buying, and you can also buy around you can also buy around 430. So 430 to 400, it is a good level, and 360 looks like a strong support now. And the next stock we are going to discuss here is Tata Steel. So Tata Steel as well, because the steel sector is not seeing great uptrend, Tata Steel is saw some profit booking, and this was a bearish candle which formed last month, but this uptrend is still going on, and Tata Steel has held the support. So till this uptrend line is there, I don't think the downtrend will start. But I feel if you want to buy Tata Steel, then you should be buying somewhere around 1300 to 1250 is a good buying zone in Tata Steel if you want to buy it for the long term. So we can start buying Tata Steel around 1250 to 1300. This stock also has corrected pretty well, and it is at a good position, but wait for some dips from here and then you can take a position. Another stock which has went up pretty well, so let's look at this. Tata Steel, you can start buying around 1250 to 1300. 1250 to 1300 is a good buying zone. So 1250 to 1300. Let's go. So 1250 to 1300 is a good buying zone for Tata Steel. Next stock we're going to look at is Tata Consumer. So Tata Consumer is placed pretty well. I feel Tata Consumer is a stock which has corrected pretty well. So I think these are the levels wherein you can enter Tata Consumer, because it is following a trend line and it has respected that trend line. So there is a big uptrend which is going on, and that support comes out around 760, 767. But there is another trend line which is going on, and the stock has respected that trend line and has gone up and seen a good jump. So it was around 800. There was a support and the stock has seen a good jump, and I feel this is the stock which is heading for great upside from here. So if you get any dip towards 810, 815, that will be a good buying zone in Tata Consumer. So let's take notes of this. Tata Consumer, you can start buying around 815, and this stock has corrected pretty well and hasn't seen a great upside. I see this stock going towards its all-time highs in the near future. The next stock is Tata Power, and Tata Power I feel is placed pretty well for an upside, but it's in the near future. You don't FOMO into this stock. I would say I entered at a very critical level, and I also feel like buying more of this stock, but I'm waiting for that correction to come so that I can buy more stock. So this stock had formed we call this a W pattern in technical analysis, and around 95 was the level wherein I bought this stock, and it has been going on since then. After this breakout, it was with volume when this broke out. So it was a great trend which is going on in this stock, but I feel if we go in the smaller time frame chart, 170 is the level which you should be buying this stock at. So around 170 is the level you should be buying this stock, and don't FOMO and don't enter at these levels, because I think this stock will come down and give a correction, and that might happen soon or in the coming days, but don't FOMO into the stock. I'm again saying this, and wait for 175 levels to come and then enter the stock. So you can start buying around 175. Now the next stock we are going to look at is Tata Coffee. Coffee prices has seen a good jump, but I think Tata Coffee is at a very important juncture. So in July, it made a high of around 246 and came down from there, and right now it is around 233. So for this stock to be bullish, I want it to go above 246, but if that doesn't happen, then I think there will be a profit booking, and you should look to enter around 208 and 200 levels in this stock, because it has given a great trend, and you should keep on buying from 175 till 200. You can keep on buying this stock. So Tata Coffee, we will start buying from 200 to 175. So 200 to 175 we will buy Tata Coffee. And the next stock we are going to look at is a very great stock which is called Tata Chemicals. So Tata Chemicals is from the chemical sector, which is in flavor, and Tata Chemical is in a great uptrend. The stock is going berserk on a crazy up run, but I would say this stock, once there is a profit booking this week only, it is up 14%. So once there is a profit booking, this stock will come down, and when the market corrects, this stock will also correct. So I feel the best level to enter in this stock will be around 870 to 900. So 870 to 900, if you get a dip around these levels, which is a big correction which I am looking at, but that is the level I am looking at in this stock because it has seen a great uptrend. So 900 to 875, or you can start buying around 950 to 875 is the level wherein you should buy this stock. So 875 to 950 is the level you should buy this stock at. So you can start buying from 950 to 875. So guys, this is the level I am looking at. 950 to 875. So this is the whole analysis. Wait for a dip and then enter, and keep an eye on these levels. When you get these levels, that will be the time when you can enter in these stocks. And if you like more videos like these, do let me know. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will be waiting to hear your reviews. And thanks a lot. Bye bye. Take care.